So are you getting out the invoice is being created? So firstly, we typed the company name, very, very bold, center alignment. Then we now type their services, pen, pencils, and the likes. Then we put the address. Then we put the phone number. Then you press enter, come to your left alignment here. You type invoice. After invoice, to who is the person having the product, the person's name be here, address of the customer will be here, then date. Then you insert your table. You have your QTO quantity, description, unit per price, then total. So you now come down here. So now here we have top total. So I'm going to use my draw table in this part. So come back to insert. So click on table, click on draw table. So here I only need one box. Yeah, just one box. Yeah, just one box here. They can resize your page. So it has come. So we have just one box here. Let me close my table. Let me close my table properties. So here we have the grand total here. So this is how we do table in. Let me shift this thing up. Then from this side, I can click and drag up here to ensure the table goes very well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Good. So are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is how we use table to achieve invoice. So for instance, like this quantity, now let's just take an example. Quantity. Let's say the person bought a phone. Let me use phone in this regard. So let's say the person bought a phone. I'm going to type phone here. I'm going to type phone here. Then description of the phone. So let's say the person bought a Samsung phone. Samsung phone. These are the description. So 128 gig. Let's say the RAM is 8 gig RAM. 8 gig RAM. So these are the short description. So units per price. So let's say this particular phone is around 350,000 naira. So if it is one, so total here will still be the same thing. You still have the same total here.
In
If the
the
person bought one, okay, to still be the same thing here. But if the person bought like two, so here I'm going to write times two here. So and here I have my seven
seven
700
hundred
700,000. So here will be 700,000. So I just change that to 700,000. So this is how we impute the stuff here. So now let me reduce the size of all this. So the size is
Sir,
big. Yeah.
you are you not to write two phones since the person bought two?
I'll just say times two. Under this unit price, I'll say times two.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I can say times two here, or under this quantity here, I can write two here. Open my bracket and put two here too. So under this quantity here, so it shows that it's two phones. So just put two here. So the same Samsung, it is another phone that the person bought. I'm going to put the second phone description here. Maybe the person bought uh Nokia phone. So I'll just type Nokia phone here. So and also give the description of the Nokia phone bought. Maybe Nokia phone, maybe let's say 60 gig, 60 gig 32 gig RAM. I'll just give the description. Then probably I can say this one is around 150,000 naira. Sometimes 150,000 naira. Then if it's only one unit for this one, then here remains same thing as 150,000 naira. Then these two price now, I'll come down here. This part here. So here I should have my grand total here. So I'll write total. This is the grand total. Final total will not be here. So I'm going to add all what the customer has bought here. So here I'm having 850,000 naira. So the total sum here is 800 and 850,000 naira. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So at the end, I'm going to come down here, then put customer signature, write customer's signature. So
Signature.
the person will sign at the end here. Then we have manager's signature at the right hand side here. Then reduce the size, it's too big. So make it like size 10. Then take it to your left hand side. Then take your cursor down here and type customers manager's signature. Here we have managers signature. Then put your cursor at the back of manager. Just press enter backspace to say so that these two signature will align. Now I'll now use my shape. Come to insert shape here. Look up. Come to insert shape here. Insert shape. So pick a line. I need a line here. So draw a line here. Then make it thicker. Can make it more thicker. So this is where the person will sign. So you can copy this one. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. So or you right click and say copy. Then you paste. So this is the second manager's signature here. So this is where the person will sign here. So this is how we use table to form or to do invoice. So very easy. So let me reduce this size to it's too big. So let me make it 12. I think it's okay like this. Let me bold this one. Bold. Then don't forget to save your work. So if you want to save, you press Control S on the keyboard. Then know where you are saving your work to. So know where you are saving your work. So I'm saving it on my own desktop here. I have my folder in
Yes.
the do save work. So yeah, I'll save it as invoice. So always give your file name what you have done. So I'm giving as invoice. So it has been saved. Now the last thing I want to show you here is that if you want to make it more colorful, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to make it more colorful. So I'll just select this heading alone. Then I'll come down to my color, this side there, where I have shading here. So click here. I can give you something like a lighter green. You can see that. So here today I have my total here. I can select here. to give it like lighter shade of ash. So this is how we beautify. So this is how we beautify invoice as far as table is concerned. Do you understand now? Uh, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mubarak
Yes, sir.
and Malik. Oh, you're on a transit. Yeah, sorry. Just Mubarak. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, you are in a bus, right? You're in your mom's car, right? Okay, I can see the movement there. So safe trip, busy life. So just listen and be attentive, okay?
Yes, sir.